Welcome to Arwi, your Arabic writing assistant. When you access the website for the first time, you will notice a bar at the bottom of the page. It asks you to read the privacy policy and terms of use. Clicking on Privacy Policy will open a new page explaining how your data is handled. Likewise, Terms of Use outlines your rights and responsibilities while using the platform. After reviewing both, return to the main page and click Accept. Once accepted, you are ready to begin exploring Arwi and improving your writing. Start your training by selecting a topic from the right side of the screen, then begin writing your essay. If you want to pause and return later, click the Save Draft button in the top of the text editor. A message will appear confirming your draft has been saved. When you return to our website, your essay will still be there, safely stored in your browser, ready for you to continue editing anytime. To delete your text, click the Delete button at the top right of your text editor. Confirm the pop-up message, and then your editor will be cleared, ready for a fresh start. You can customize the layout to fit your needs. Click the divider lines between panels and sections. Then drag your mouse in the direction you want. Resize until it feels just right for your writing experience. Each writing level has a specific word limit. To help you stay on track, you will see a word counter just below the text editor. It shows how many words you have written and the minimum required for your task. If you write fewer words than required, the check button will stay disabled. Continue writing, and when you finish, just click the check button. Your feedback will appear in the left. All the mistakes are underlined in red. Hover over any erroneous word to see the error type, and click on the word to get more detailed feedback and possible corrections. After reviewing your feedback, go back to the text editor and fix the errors in your text. Click Check again. You can redo check as many times as needed to practice and improve your writing skill. Your writing level is always visible at the top left of the screen. And with every submission, Arwi tracks your progress, showing how your language score improves and how your grammatical errors decrease over time.